Good evening, traders. Welcome to episode 415 of Tea with Me, Mitchell. You could be doing anything, but you're here. Man, it feels just like yesterday. I was live streaming Kappa, but yeah, really. I decided to just... Dude, what's up with the restream? Do y'all see this? Am I crazy? Hold on a second. What? Dude, it is bugged out. You see what I'm saying, man? Like, as a streamer, like... You just show up every day, you do the same thing, but random things change. Like, look at everyone's name on Restream right now. Why is it like that? Dude, I have no idea. It's like double, dude. Hold on, let me try to remedy this. It's like whack-a-mole, dude. Technical difficulties is like whack-a-mole, all right? You knock out one issue and then another one arises. You knock out the other, and then all of a sudden all your text on Restream's all crazy, dude. I don't even know if it's a big deal, but it's bugging me, man. Sorry, y'all. I mean, look. Okay, just let's see if I can do so. See, it's showing like double text. Dude, I'll tell you, I know what has been smoking a joint. And that's been Elon and Restream at the same time, dude. Hold on. Let me get rid of chat real quick. It's gone, and now it's gonna be back. But is it gonna be stupid again? Make chat on Restream great again? Looks like it's fixed now. Okay, sorry. So Bitcoin, hey man, hey, pivots it off the 200 moving average, busting the upside on very low volume, but we know 95% of volume is pretty much scrubby wash trading anyway, so who cares about volume really, you know? We're just coming to find this out and learning from other sources and stuff, but breaking back testing the old area that was once a support as resistance, testing the 50 moving average as resistance, have not yet hit that 618. That second target that we coveted, right? We thought we might hit it, but nah, breaking the upside and starting to show some positive momentum for the first time since the 21st. Wow, many days since we've seen any positive momentum. So you got that going for you, which is nice. Really, is there a trend line of some sort? See, it seems like you had this false breakout, right? Anchor point 1 and 2 and false breakout and back in some sort of support, I guess, right? If you want to plot it like that. But what we're going to do for now, for the sake of vision, is clean it up a little bit, get rid of the measure moves. Hey, a little hunchback of Notre Dame, head and shoulders pattern. It's measure moves it. All right, so really that's just kind of what's going on. I mean, maybe we could look at it like different anchor points. I don't know, man. I haven't really messed with it. If you had anything like it, it was just like this, and you broke it, right? So you broke a channel, man. Okay. Again, just like that. Let's see real quick, man. Okay. Just give me a sec. See, it's almost just like you've got this very large channel. I'm just literally going from wick to wick on both sides, plotting trend lines. Maybe it's a wedge, maybe it's a channel, whatever. If you draw it long enough, you can see it's clearly converging. So see if we can stay above this trend line, right? Which is, you know, right with that 200 moving average. You know, we'll just go with that for now. Okay, but harmonic, look, all you just have to do this, man. Oh, what? Right, extend it out a little bit. A lot of chop, man. A lot of chop, you know. I really don't know what to tell you, dude. We hit kind of an entry on, you know, $5 off an entry, then we sold off at the 382 and 50%, which is almost second target, you know, one more fib node away from the second target, and now breaking the upside on no volume. I don't know, man. Really weird. Okay, really weird stuff. So guess the best way we could look at it is just 1 and 2 and now 3 false breakout back in, so stay above 39.40. And I guess things will be okay, right, for now. Another bill, is that a wedge, man? Because just 1 and 2, whatever, dude. You want to go that crazy and talk about converging trend lines? Whatever, man. It was just like that. Pfft. Not really a wedge, man, but I mean, the criteria is not met. It's a very small pattern, so probably not, but hey, you plot trend lines and you broke this trend line. But again, 50 and 20 moving average right there, you're literally at it. So I just don't know, man. Overall, we do understand and know. Oh yeah, man. Just move out of the way. So we do know we've broken out of the downsloping structure. We've bounced off of it as support by double bottoming, and that's what started this whole harmonic fiesta. And now we're just chopping, man. All right. So we know it would make more sense, looking at a daily time scale, it would make way more sense to hit between 4,400 and 5,200. This has not changed. Okay. The 200-day moving average is at 46.83. You're still extremely far away from that. Maybe at some point we can catch up with that. Okay, we have an uptrend and we just keep going, at least to the 382 and beyond. All right. There you go, man. The two converging up sloping trend lines, right? Let's just bring it home, man. All right. And here's the thing: if we plotted 1 and 2 on the top, very well could be 1 and 2 on the bottom. So it could just be an upsloping channel that we're in. And other people are going to argue, hey man, we should go 1 and 2 on the bottom, or 1 and 2 on the bottom and then 3 on the top. A lot of ways you can interpret this, man. All right, I get it, but I'm digging. We've still broken out of a downsloping structure, and I think we have further to go in time, and it could take weeks, if not a couple months, to get to 4,400. All right, if we get there. All right, that's it, man. Okay. Look, 20-day moving average, you fell below it, and now you're right back above it, which is healthy. That's what you got to have. That's what we do. Wish it was just more to it, man. Some days it's easier to analyze than others. Okay. Anyway, Bitcoin Live. Yep, that's the name of the title of the stream. So we're live on Bitcoin. Here it is, man, live. Oh my God, dude. Looking at multiple time scales. What's up, y'all? Hold on. Oh my God, dude. Why do you care so much about these coins? Sure. All right. What's up, Greg Morgan, Eric Coffeen, Big Bonanza? I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm sure something like tonight where Bitcoin moves to the upside, I'm sure all the altcoins. Iapori, thanks for the follow on Twitch. Welcome to Harmonic House, man. Kanks. What's up, Quarty, 123, man. Daring Nareen. Oh yeah, oh my God, dude. It's like literally, who will be the king? Who will be the king of Westeros, man? All right. I hope Neo finds life. No, it's BCH. No, it's Link. No, Iota. What's up, Chalen? Peter Pan Morgan, what's up, dude? Hey, Zero Man. Dash looks primed. Well, it was already primed. We caught the bottom of it before the blast off, and we just been consolidating now. So, yeah, decentralized Lincoln logs. That's Link. Yep. Hey, Crypto Tiger. Alex Man. Edward Park. Good to see you, dude. Yeah, does anyone mine crypto anymore in here? And if you do you even make money for real? Or are you just acquiring coins and spending money on electricity to acquire them, right? What's up, P. Miller? If the person that watched my live stream yesterday that complained about what I was drinking, I'm drinking Irwin tea again. Get triggered, scrub. Is this real? Yep, that's it. Third Eye Trader, what's up, dude? Camouflage on Twitch. What's up, Balls Deep? Almost 420? Yeah, we're, what, 5 episodes away? 5 episodes away from episode 420. Dang, dude. That's crazy. What's up, Jared and Blake Neely? Robbie Nelson. Get rid of those AMDs. What you talking about? AMDs, dude. Shoot. That's right. What's up, Bradford, dude? Julia, hello. Andrew Parsons, I'm sorry for your butt. You just ate 2 McDoubles at McDonald's, dude. Rest in peace, your butt, dude. Yeah, we can look at Bat. Sure, man. Bat can. Oh my god, Phil's in chair. What's up, dude? Mate. How you doing, mate? We taking over, dude? Oh my god, man. I'm just trying to get through it. Okay, this is what I do. I get through chat after analyzing Bitcoin or whatever asset is most relevant, okay, at the time. It's like it did what we wanted, but then like it only did half of what we wanted, or a little bit more than half of what we wanted, right? When it but it may not be over, man. We still have to make a higher high than 4,050 something. Okay, you have to understand we have to do that. Otherwise it's going to be a lower high than the previous time. We could sell off again and make lower lows. Sounds like a trap, Tomcat. Maybe, dude. Eopori, man. Thanks for the sub on Twitch, dude. Kangs, man. Kangs. Dude, what is this?
Can you look at Nay? Someone I was watching earlier said this was a good stock to buy. I see a Chinese lesson coming.
Kills for a living. There's the 444 opinion course. Dude, what is this, man? Monty Python and the Holy Grail. Is this the stock of knee? Alright, we'll look at it first after XRP. I don't really think we should look at Ethereum because we did a static video on it and it'd be stupid to do that. So we're going to look. Alright, so Bitcoin, it seems like it's breaking back into some sort of upsloping support where it was a false breakout. Interestingly, though, I mean, you had no bullish divergence at all. Oh, dude, Jeff Dirt.
Jeff Dirt T8 at $23.58.
Husker
BTC
Dusker.
is clearly in an upsloping Husker Do or Husker Don't. Need more pattern development. Possible inverse spleen splitter.
It's a spleen splitter. Oh my god, dude. Ian Petrocara, thanks for joining the Harmonic House gangs. But dude, Probes, man, thanks for 2358. The fantastic to Jesus contribution, man. Holy crap, dude. So much going on. Did y'all notice that I changed the sound clip? It makes it to where, like, if people sub, it's not going to be like the Jesus chimes. The Jesus chimes are like, you know, I guess it's like, that's like a level up from, really the sound clip is from Final Fantasy VII, and it is the limit break sound. So it is still very significant, powerful, but I have it really quiet, so it doesn't, like, ear rape. All right, so thanks. That's the guy, Jeff Dirt. Jeff Dirt. What's his name? Christopher Walken, dude. That's what he says, man. All right, Jeff Dirt. Kappa. Thanks, dude. Yeah, ignore pattern development. Ignore everything you thought you knew, and just use your feelings, dude. Just close your eyes and guess. All right. I don't know, man. The bearish divergence was good at the 1618 B to C extension Kangage. All right. B&B Quarty, man. Okay. All right. I'm just getting through chat, getting through all this. All right, we'll do this, man. Anyone who gives exact date predictions likely has no idea what they're talking about. There you go, Bradford. Exactly, dude. I predict on this date, Nostradamus will come back, man. All right. What's up, Paul Rucci? I think, was it Gucci? It'd be Rucci. Paul Rucci from Australia. Welcome from down under. We have the family, all Australians here, dude. In good company. Kang Logan's here as well. He's not from down under. He's from up over or something. Holy crap. Hey, Brian Holm. Julia, are you reading me? Oh my god, man. Alright, dude, just hold on, man. Okay, I guess, you know, we bounced off the 200 moving average, and we expected, look, remember, you know, if we, like, gave this discussion, it doesn't mean we're going to zero. It means, like, there's a probability we'll hit a 382, which we did. We'll hit a 618, which we didn't, or we'll get 100%, which we didn't at all, all right, before the bounce. But we don't even know, man, if it's over. We need way more confirmation than this. We can keep running on up, all right? And we haven't technically even hit the 786, the real 786 from X to C, all right? So it'd be interesting to see what happens. C, what happens. Or CC, well, someone in our community, oh my God. But yeah, man, maybe set up an alert because, you know, when you're using the 50 moving average as resistance, man, we just know that is at the top of the equilibrium zone of your candles. So we hear a beat, man, party time. Gonna be party time in here on a freaking Tuesday, going on Wednesday. All right. XRP, did it do something? Oh my God. What did it do, man? What in the world did it do? Bounced off that crazy support that stems back from August 18th, 2018. You had January 2019. Then you had the whip from March 2019. And now you have March 26th. You bounced off of it every time. And you had a confluent support looking left on the horizontal lines, right? A lot of that. But we discussed that. That was a possibility, right? You know, we were up here. It's like, hey, man, it seems more likely. What was it? 30.15 cents or whatever. Right here. This was the trend line we're talking about probably going to hit. And we did. And we bounced. That's great. But, you know, you're above the 20. But 31.465 cents you've yet to touch. We broke out of a channel, triangle, whatever. It's just following Bitcoin, man. All right. You had that. You did have. It still ended up bullish divergence, man. Right. Even though it built a little bit more, you still had bullish divergence at a critical support, and you were oversold. You're like 24 on the RSI before bouncing, but really not even anything, dude. It's like nothing, man. All right, really big old nothing burger for now. Stable coin, still stable, right? Still very stable, range bound, man. Between 29.5 cents and 35 cents, dude, for most of the year now. Most of the year. Maybe we could, hold on. It's still going, man. It's still going. Yeah, dude, it seems more and more likely. The more we keep selling on XRP, the more likely the 786 is going to be the target, all right? Yeah, dude. I mean, like, hey, man, you can't blame someone for relying on supports and multiple coinciding variables. XRP to BTC, we're looking at it. We're below the, well below the 1414. All right. The 1618 though, fib extension. Let me try to grab this thing. 1618 is very close. We got as low as 75.21. The 1618 fib extension is 73.22 from B to C. So that's like it. This is, I think, all right. The zone at this point, okay. You got the 1618 and the 786. Okay, that's the zone because the 786 is down here at 7,065 or something. And look left. Someone brought up potential inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Holy crap! It would be insanely sized pattern, but it seems like that this is probably going to be it, dude. We're kind of in no man's land because we have fallen below the 1414, we have fallen below the 618. All right, so here's your zone, 7,070 to 7,300. Okay, that's what you're looking for at this point. Okay, things change, keep monitoring it, whatever. A goodbye, huh? Oh my god, dude. What about a high flyer? Jeez, man. Hey, Eric Moore, thanks for the sub, man. Welcome to the Harmonic House, man. Kangs, dude. That's what we do here. This thing is absolutely ludicrous, okay? It's been killing it, man. Been absolutely killing it. Anchor points? Good question, man. Okay. See, the thing is, though, man, like, you had 1 and 2 on the bottom, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 on the top, 5, 6, 7 on the top, and now you've broken it. So it seems more likely. All right, let's make this only visible on the weekly. So we have a clean slate. So I think there might be something else at play from when it started in 2016. I think a lot of these went on these velocity trends. We're going to try both ways. Try to anchor anyway. Okay, so the daily time scale here. All right, so just 1 and 2, and we, you know, the little wick 3, and then 4. All right, top of the structure from the low, you know, the highest point. But now look, we're right at the top of this crazy run, man. No structure, actually. Do we see it? Bullish 5-0, bear shark or something? X, A, B, C. We're looking for D. Hold on. Let's just mess with it a sec. %78%, right? 618. See, things gone too high, man. 618 is right. Hey, malicious upload. Thanks for the follow on Twitch. Welcome to the house, man. The harmonic house, man. Hold on. He said this is a buy. Dude, okay. You can't get it exactly all the time, dude. X to A, you're the 1618 fib extension, man, at all-time highs. That's really high risk. Give me a sec. Now, it can't be a shark. It has to be that 5-0, right? Or the butterfly? Hold on, dude. It's tough, man. There's yeah. Butterfly, yep, between the 1272 and the 1618, 78%. Oh my god, dude. Yep, X day, you retrace 78.6%. Yep, it has to be 78%, right? You got it. You broke down, retrace between the 382 and the 886, 618. And you've run to the top. This is it, man. This is according to all of the people that do harmonics, the 618 is where you take an entry on a short position. Do we have any variables that line up with that? I mean, you're making higher highs of negative momentum, and now you're making like your highest high with, at the top of the channel, mind you, with almost no positive momentum. Wow, man. A good trade for seriously, a bearish butterfly. I don't know if I've done the education on that one yet. Let me just see if I can pull one up for you, okay? And you tell me if I'm crazy here, okay? Just saying, man. Dude, it's like near the 2618 as well. Oh my god, man. All right, I'm about to zoom in on this one. We're about to look at it together, all right? All right. Bearish butterfly, right? Impulse down. You retrace 78% of the way. Has to be around 78%. Can't be 618. Can't be 50. Can't be 382. You sell off between 382, the 886, 618. You retrace the upside. Between the 1618 and the 2618, we're just barely above the 2618. We're pretty much at it, right? Here you go. X to D, meaning X to A. You retrace 1618. 1272 or 1618. It's really in between, okay? People, believe me, dude, I've looked at this stuff enough to know there's people that think it's and or it's both, or it can be anything in between, all right? Okay, Stubbs likes anything in between, all right? So you're at it, man. You're at a short area. There you go, 1618, 2618, 2.7. That's it. So if the top's up there, man, from that C to D, you're looking for, at this point, 382. Come on, I think we get it at this point, right? We all get it. We all know 618 or 100%. And really, at this point, I don't know if the 100% would be prudent. Maybe the 886 or 786, or maybe where that 200-day moving average is, all right? But dude, I mean, this is definitely some sort of valid harmonic right now that we're seeing on knee. Might be good for short. Low risk, despite if it fails or succeeds, it's low risk, high reward opportunities. You get hit one target and it could be over, like Bitcoin, right? Bearish cipher, it may be over, but it may not be over, right? But it's swing trading. It takes time. And this is a daily time scale, so this could take weeks for all this stuff to play out. All right.
Mitchell Wilson Ray, the master sensei of the Crypto Kai Dojo in Greenbow, Alabama, training the XRP army in the ways of the Doji candles. Paid for by General Logan King. Could you check hoax? Thanks.
What? Check hoax? OAX? Yeah, OAX. Okay. You just never know with the TTS. Yeah, OAX. Blue looked that up before. That's a lot of words, dude. Training the XRP army in the ways of the Doji candles. You know, not the dojo. We're going to the doji, not the dojo, man. Oh my god, is this crypto, dude? What are you doing to me, man? What are you... Oh, well, dude, oh my god, man. I don't know when the last time we looked at this was, but... Holy crap. Okay, man. There it is, dude. Nice double bottom, critical support area. Not bad, dude. And on the 4 hour, I know we had bullish divergence here. But here it was, man. If you could break this, this is the pinnacle that gives us that discerns the two bottoms. This situation's pretty much like two eves. Eve and Eve. And we broke it, and now the measure move has been hit. 9,000. Oh my god, it's over 9,000. Not really anymore. It's actually at 8,532 after hitting the measure move and a little beyond it, okay? So, we are kings. I believe this is what makes us kings, when we respect the TA like this. Jeez, man. Alright, so, look, man, people ask me to analyze something, I'll analyze it, we'll drop what it could or would do, where it could go, and this is it, man. Beautiful. One day. Holy crap, man. I dig it, man. Alright. There's your Knights of Knee. Okay. Anthony tried to mine Digibyte quite unsuccessfully. There's not enough documentation on how to mine efficiently. Ooh. Is it a who you know game, man? What is it? You have... Oh, Bradford. Oh, get wrecked, dude. So, Scour, dude. Ian, Petrocara, thank you again for the sub and welcome to this community. It's a wonderful community. Alright. Now that I'm doing static videos, I think more people are going to find it. Okay. I just wasn't playing the YouTube game right. I was acting almost like a Twitch streamer on YouTube, dude. So... You like the new Twitch sub screen, Zachary? I'm glad you like it, man. Hey, I somehow didn't get hacked and found my own MP3. Didn't have to ask you, man. Oh my god. Dude, there's a lot of chat, and I missed a lot of it. Alright, man. Trying to keep up. Give me some sound check, too. I don't want to be too loud. The audio. Music. Thoughts on Litecoin, Iapori? So, dude, we actually did an analysis on it today, but it's breaking to the upside. It might... I think it's still within the parameters of potential descending triangle, Iapori, okay? You've been shorting from 64 on Bitfinex. Hey, man, it kind of lines up a little bit with our video, or the video I did a little while ago. It's just because of it, dude, we've been on a tear, man. We've been doing very well, but it seems like a pullback might be necessary, and we might be seeing some sort of potential harmonic pattern. A bullish harmonic pattern, but man, C to D, it's a long way down. King Louis, I'm glad you like the limit break, dude. Sweet. Whew. Thanks, Paul. What's up, Rich Galante, man? Julia says, oi, ×3. And there goes Restream. It just like, I can't do it, man. Alright, Star Wars Worlds. Oh my god. Star Wars Worlds alert. Guys, a big move is coming. Warning, warning. A good move is coming. There it is. You heard it first from Star Wars Worlds. Alright. Jeez. Sorry, man. It's just a lot of chat. I'm trying to manage it. Alright. Erwin T. That's it, dude. XRP gonna do things. Well, maybe the 786 at this point. Because 786 lines up with the 1618. I don't really see any kind of good opportunity until we get there, which we're pretty close. But now we're just kind of like, okay, just can't continue to bleed out even with daily bullish ever. Just kind of like, it sucks, man, but can't get mad about the way we looked at it. Okay, what am I drinking? Again, Irwin tea. It's not even the black tea. It's like a green tea. It wasn't even labeled. Chris, man, what you doing, dude? I still have more of it. Hold on. My bad. I'm sure that was loud. It doesn't have as much caffeine, but that's okay, man. We should be doing the exercise thing, static video thing, scanning charts thing today. All right. It tastes kind of minty, but yeah, that's it. Star Wars Worlds, you've been so busy, man. Thanks, Star Wars Worlds. Connect for being here, man, and commenting on all the static videos. I'm glad you enjoyed them, dude. All right. Oh my God, man, too much chat. All right. Let's just go to link real quick. Someone asked about it. Congratulations, OAX, man, you did it. Double bottom TA respected. Link to BTC. It's like we had a channel and we fell out of the channel. And we were forming some sort of, you know, like descending triangle of some sort, orb sim, whatever, right?
Is that a joint?
Hey, Dan and Melissa, can you give me some feedback in chat? If like, I don't know if you're watching the static videos. If you like them, let me know, okay? Because I don't know if I've heard feedback from you in the static video comments, but I'd love to hear what y'all think, okay? So thank y'all for the 24 freaking 20. I would Jesus people's worst bridges in America and pretty much gonna be getting the most rain that you've seen in a long time in Iowa. Don't get ready. So we broke out of this triangle. I mean, hey, dude, I guess you could do a measure move. You could try anyway. Probably be wiser. I mean, high to low. Well, we've already hit the 618, so I don't know. Are you just consolidating at this point? So it looks like to me. Okay, obviously there's some new support being built. I mean, because you got to look at it. Look, it's just the same. It's doing the same crap as a few others, man. It's like, where do you draw the trend line? Was it here? No. Was it here? Oh, I guess so. I guess it was there, man. Okay. Oh, it's like Bitcoin, man. Oh my God, Bitcoin, this little miniature scrub wedge, and you broke it. It's like whatever, man. We know the high to low point. You've hit the golden retrace. So in penny price action reversal, you got it. But now the beauty is, we know we've gotten it, that reversal. And now we're holding strong and making a higher low. Okay. Almost look like some sort of harmonic. X, A, B, C, D. Probably something like that. But at this point, man, we're outside of a channel we've been in for a while, man. Okay. I mean, we've had to adjust and stuff. But like, you know, July of 2018... All right, we adjusted. Now you got January 2015 high, and then the low points December 15th. That was like the lowest low of the market for the next move up. And yeah, we're just out right now. Okay, so one could argue, I mean, see the anchor points are on the top side. So let's try to do something here and see how it looks. All right. Let's see if that's the case. It's like, that actually lines up pretty brilliantly. Oh my God, the 25% support, hardline resistance, 25 resistance, hardline resistance, 75 resistance, 75 resistance, all the resistance. Are you kidding me, dude? It's pretty good. But the problem is, all right, new touch points 1 and 2, you're still outside. But this thing is very, very bullish, man. All right, look where we are. Back to all, this is all-time high price, old ones, back from October of 2017, man. All right, so you don't want to fall below this, man. Pretty freaking important support at 11,219 sats. So Chainlink, Kangs, beautiful falling wedge. It all started and went way beyond any kind of target we could ever think of, right? I think we hit the, was it the 1414 or the 1272 up here? The major one, major retraces. Anyway, man, it looks like you broke out. You hit a retrace, you sold off, you formed a small pattern, you broke out of that, you're making lower highs than your previous highs, but you're making higher lows. So it's like a form of price contraction. I don't know, man. Link's just doing its thing, man. Okay. opportunity. I don't know. I've seen much more opportunity. I know it's just in a nice uptrend. You're just holding it, but we're talking about trading, and the 618 is where we would have taken profit if we did break out of a triangle. Okay, I wouldn't be doing a measure move on this thing. It's huge. All right. Oh man, what a throwback, dude. What a throwback. Man, IOTA. So, dude, look at this. The thing's bugging really hard. So, inverse head and shoulder, potential inverse head and shoulder. We broke out. False breakout, lower high, sold off. But, dude, think about this, man. X, A, B, C, D. I'm just going to mess around. Candle closes. Yeah. You'll see that. 88.8%. 88.6% retrace. Hold on. So you just got to pull out the... Look, make sure I'm not crazy here. Because you want to be right. So the lower high, that's that Gartley or bat. I need a cheat sheet, man. So this is the bat. This is the bat for sure. You had a 38% retrace. You ran up. You had between a 382 and 886% retrace, right? And then you sold off. You had an 88% retrace, 88.6% retrace, and now you're breaking the upside. And you're looking at 382, 618, and 100%. Wow. Dude, just random small patterns. They exist, man. These, being able to identify them, not easy. But dude, that's exactly what happened. But thing is, though, you look at the daily, probably not going to be very discernible. I'll probably make this visible on the 4-hour. But we're looking at double bottom, man. Double bottom, right, with your false breakout, selling off. That's okay, though. That's okay. Look, higher lows. Look, a low ahead. Was it a shoulder ahead? Right shoulder or something? Definitely got support here, holding, and now you're making higher lows than these previous lows. It's not over yet, man. And we did, remember, we broke out. We had bullish divergence, bullish convergence on the MACD and RSI. Yeah, very well not isn't over, but we're hitting the 200-day moving average and rejecting it, but holding above the 20 and 50. Time will tell. All right, this one was, man, their entry right around like 7,300 or something like that. Got as high as 8,100, and now we're down to 75.26. It's still in the race. It's still there. It still could be potentially setting up for our prices, especially hitting that 886. All right. So you got the longer term, you know, the slower time scales with more significant patterns, and then you got the 4-hour with less significant, but still very real harmonic right there, dude. Interesting.
The static videos have been a big help to me. Life is so busy for me with collage. I have been scraping all the time I can to watch you, Mitch, and only you. God bless you and thanks for all you do to better my life. Cheers. Can you give me thoughts on GVT/BTC?
GVT, man. That is a coin I've not heard in a long time, kind of. Miss Chef, man, thanks for the 333 repeating, of course. Really appreciate it. Very humbled that I've been a positive influence in your life, and that's awesome, man. And good luck with your collage, man. I thought in the digital age we didn't do collages anymore. We did montages or something. Kappa, but I get you, man. I think you meant college, but hey, you may very well have meant collages. Okay, thank you, dude. Okay, yeah, this is that one. Okay, so I remember we were like, last time I looked at it, I was like, here's a different interpretation. Of GVT. Okay, so once we hit that high up here, it looked beautiful. Hawkhead. And we were following this thing forever, dude. Broke out, hit the target, I think at the 50%. I don't think we hit the 618, and then sold off. And then now, or what are we doing? We're making higher lows than our previous low. Holding support back from November 2017, not bad. Just continuing to hold. I believe the longer you do this, the higher percentage chance you have of breaking to the upside. Okay, well, because that previous low was lower than this low here, and we're holding this. That's good news, man. That's a good sign. All right, so you're now cracking that 75% trend line of the equidistant channel, whatever. Just helps give us scope of vision. Formal pattern. I don't know, man, I thought we might have had some sort of inverse head and shoulders, whatever, you know. Obviously, too much time went by and it ended up being invalidated, not real, and that's going to happen. But I mean, where do you, all the wicks, man, like, where do you even plot this, dude? Is it like that? And then is it like this? Or we had it like that and you fell out, you know? It does seem like you had it like that and we broke out bearishly, but we're holding this support, man, a very critical support. Dude, you do not want to fall below this 9,785 area. That is like no-go zone after that, man. No real support on the way down. And that's what happened. When we cracked this support, look where we ran. We ran down to more formidable levels, okay, when there was a little bit more chop, not much, but that's where we bottomed out and ran again. So, dude, you've got to stay above this. But if that's the case, if you can stay above it, man, yeah, there's opportunity to break the upside. Okay, so let's try to do it like this, man. Others would argue it's kind of going to be like this. Yep, look, so you have a channel that is formed where you're using the heart line of, look, huge impulse down sloping consolidation, and you're bouncing off the heart line as support, okay? So what does that mean? If we could ever break out, which we very well could, because we'll look a low, here's a low, here's a low, a higher low, and now we're making the same lows that are higher lows than this previous low, which is always good. That just means there's accumulation really going on right now, and the sellers can't muster enough pressure to move us down to this next support at 6,200. All right, so if we did break to the upside, high to low, large retrace, man. I mean, the golden zone for GVT right here, man. All right, and we know for a fact this is the swing low because we've hit the 236 one time before, but never again, not since December 27th. We hit that 236. So we reversed our price action, right, after hitting the most shallow retrace, and now we're holding strong, very, very strong, okay? So if this thing was to break to the upside, you could expect targets probably, if we're just to make a common retrace, very common retrace, 15,614 to 19,907, all right? Impulse down, down sloping, consolidation, you know what that means. A lot of times that's exhaustion, okay? We get it, man. We get it. And even if that was the case, man, it doesn't mean you're overall bullish because GVT is showing that lower highs. Even if we ran up to this area, guess what that means? Lower high. Dude, the same thing happened here. High point to low point with 50% retrace. Wow, we finally did it. High point to low point. What would be wrong with a 50% retrace again? Nothing. Nothing. We're showing forms of accumulation and an impossibility for the sellers to push us down to lower prices at this point. So that's the golden zone. Despite anything anyone would believe, everyone's going to be... Everyone, look, if you know anything about fibs, everyone's like, yeah, that's true. That is the golden zone. We don't know if we'll get there, but that's where things retrace to when they show price action like this. Okay, so GVT, interesting, Mr. Shaffer, man. Very cool, dude. All right. Dash, man. Ugh. Killing me, dude. I mean, it's fine. We got in a good area. Still in the green. It's just opportunity cost at this point. Like, come on, dude. Okay, so, you know, the falling wedge, first off, it was a downsloping channel we had been in since 2017, December 2017. We broke out, created ourselves a falling wedge, broke out of that, formed a sim triangle, broke out of that, back tested it Have we back tested it? I don't think so. Not quite. Very close. But at least look like a bull pull bull flag. This is a long extended bull flag at this point.
Is that a joint?
Did I miss your ZIL BTC chart, Mon?
Yeah, dude, you're screwed. Sorry, Greg Morgan, man. 1941. Yo, dude, we'll look at it right after this. Thanks, man. For the 420 is that joint contribution, man. Thanks, dude. All right, so just an extended flag and a false breakout and just holding, but you're below the 20 and 50 moving average on the 4 hour, man. It's kind of just scrubby, man. So at some point, it seems like if we keep this price action up, you'll be testing 21,942, which is the 200 moving average and the bottom trend line of the triangle we broke out of. Okay. And we expect much higher prices on this one, but it might take a while. It could take a month or two to get even to the measured move of the triangle, man. You just got to think about it looking at the daily, a slow time scale, man. This was our entry down here, 20,800 or something, or right around there anyway. And we got it nice. We got that nice pop breakout, and now we're just back testing, taking our sweet time consolidating, finally touching the 200-day moving average. Since when? Ever. We've never touched the 200-day moving average because there's never been enough data. But once it was created, we were way up here already on our nasty descent. May 8th it was created. Okay, and so now look, you touch it, you're pulling back, you're getting a little freaked out, and all your daily moving averages are beginning to converge now. Interesting. On a breakout. And incessant selling you've had for well over a year, dude. Things are changing, man. The winds of winter, the winds of spring. This is what they do, man. This is exactly what things look like before they go to moon, okay? This type of stuff. Oh wow, we've been selling off for like a year, dude, or more, and now like divergence. Is
that a joint?
Could we look at RG/BTC, please? Keep up the great work.
Roll with that one. Thanks for the 420 contribution, man. Kangs, yeah, dude. Look at it. We can look at it, man. Radford Zilica. Thanks, dude. So, dude, I'm telling you, man. You don't have to believe me now, but just do not be one to cry and be like, hey, should I get in now? Once we're up to 382, okay. And what if we go beyond that, man? Dude, it's just a common retrace from a high point to a low point. 382. It seems almost impossible at this point. People would think, right? But not really based on just traditional technical analysis. Okay, it seems normal. Okay, that's what you do. So. Dash, baby, dash. Okay, man. Well, it seemed like you sold off a little bit on Zilica. Okay, so here it is, man. We had that downslipping structure. All right, big move up, and people are like, inverse head and shoulders? Yeah, maybe, whatever, dude. Well, you hit that area, did you not? You hit the area of support, the falling wedge, the bullish divergence on the daily and MACD on the 4 hour, and we popped, right? And now we're hitting the 200-day moving average and bearishly engulfing at the 200-day moving average. Give me a break, man. Come on. Got to get more than that. It's got to get better than that, dude. What'd we do? So what is it when you make a higher high on price? What form of divergence is it, chat? When you make a higher high on price, but you double top on the histogram. What is that called? Now, first person to answer is Kang or Quain. Okay. Respect will grow more and more. And while that goes on, and I can't believe Twitch is so fast versus YouTube. It's so weird, dude. That is incorrect, Coffee Crypto, by the way. Dude, I've missed literally a billion chats. 3 on iOS T, man. What about OST? What about OST, man? OST, biggest scrub out ever, dude. Right? Dude, and ILST though looks so primed for Kangage, man. Y'all just gotta know about ILST, man. Holy crap. Anyway, I'm waiting on the answer. No, that's incorrect, Crypto Cotter. It's like there's literally 3 guesses. 3 like potential answers in this situation. No, it is not Class B. And it's not a trick question. There's Dan. 2 thumbs up, 1 heart, and 1 beer. Boom. What's up, Blue Man? Dude, I don't know. This is just tough, man, to manage. The question is, what is it when you double top on the histogram, and on that second double top, right, that second top on the histogram, you make a higher high on price? There you go, Bleep. There you go, man. Probably Googled it, Kappa, but I don't know, man. I really don't know anymore. And that's why I like Jeopardy is going to have to be... I'm probably going to do like screen capture for Jeopardy for the participants, and that'll probably be really a lot better for them. Okay. Thanks, Zetri, man. Hey, Side Girl, how you doing? I'm just like, dude, it's been tough to manage tonight. All right, you know how it is. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's tough. Tonight's just been tough. I don't know, we got bad on the list, dude. Dude, oh my god, I can't. There's too much. There's too much. I literally can't, I can't get all the chat, man. I'm just have to scroll through it. I'm sorry, y'all. If you said something to me that was witty or funny, I'm sorry. I gotta catch up on chat. Yeah, that's it, Sam. That's it. And Restream's literally on drugs again. Great. I'm gonna uninstall it tonight and reinstall it, I think. Oh my god. Yes, Balls Deep. Bad is on the list. Yeah, it was actually was gonna go to next, but we got to Zill and they got Agi after this. Dude, I hate Restream, dude. I'm about to be done with it, like, straight up, man. What's up, Stealth Wiki? Oh, there's Probes, man. What's up, Probes, man? See, I'm so behind on chat, I don't even know, like, how fast it was. Okay. So anyway, Class C, bearish divergence. You double top the higher highs. And so it does not mean necessarily impending price action reversal, but it does mean stagnation in momentum. So if there are other variables involved, like a 200-day moving average, you might sell off. Okay, so you have, but you're still okay, man. You're still okay in the situation. There's probably just some sort of little channel forming, right? See, the problem is you had some kind of gnarly Class A bearish divergence, where you made a high on price, higher highs on price, lower levels of positive momentum. Remember, that's Class A. That is the strongest form. And that does mean impending price action reversal. You got that. Sold off from that. You're touching that 200 moving average. 4 hour. Dang, man. There you go, dude. So you're just up in an upsloping channel after breaking out of a structure you'd been in since January 28, 2019, this year. Okay, so if this really was to play out like you know, what people theorizing that huge inverse head and shoulders, if that's the case, man, if that's the case, that means you're going to be probably running all the way to 639. But we know the golden zone, which we have not hit yet, is at 517 sats to 575 sats. So that's the area. Anyone trading a breakout on a structure like this, they're looking for, you know, 50% retrace or 618, maybe even a 786. Okay, so that's it, man. Is the Momo shifting? It's obviously, we're pivoting, making a higher low than our previous lows consecutively. That's good, man. Very good sign. Okay, but really having trouble sustaining prices above this September of 2018 old support. I mean, we broke it and we've just fallen right back down below it. So that is now as clearly being some sort of resistance. All right. Okay. Agi, yep, Agi coin. I mean, we looked at it yesterday and just gave some sort of a potential little trade setup if it was to play out. Okay, well, you're the 200 moving average, you're overwhelming bullish trend. You know, well, you've been in one. We know the first impulse was extremely bearish, right? But I'm saying is just in the short term, it's a low risk, high reward opportunity. If you can hold above the 200 moving average, you got two down sloping converging trend lines. All right, entry hit. Okay, we hit our entry, and let's see if we can run up, right? If you broke this down sloping resistance, you'd be looking for a 50% retrace and a 62% retrace. So 1452 target 1, 1504 target 2. Look, man, you had all this going on, and you had all the bullish divergence with the pattern, with the 200 moving average. Okay, just like, why not, man? Definitely worth a shot. Okay. That's it. Remember, the impulse was up, and you're down sloping your consolidation, meaning it's more than likely, some sort of potential bullish consolidation. We have the upside. Okay. But then you could look at it like this, man. Is it X, A, B, C, D? Are we Gartleyan like Kangs, dude? $786 is... I mean, what is going on? It's not Garley, though. It will be more of a bat, right? Be more of a bat, so that means 886. I just need to like get some sticky notes or something, so I don't have to like. Yeah, I can see like on your Gartley, you gotta have a 618 retrace from X to B. Okay, but you know the argument's the wick, right? The wick would probably give you that, right? Go to the top of the wick, to the bottom of the wick, and then you got yourself a 618, right? 786 in this situation's right here. All right, so yeah, you're pretty close to an entry on potentially a Gartley using the wicks, but you know that is, man. You just never know. You have to take a shot. You have to like creativity, and you have to definitely be creative and use your imagination in these situations and see what lines up. I mean, the 786 and the, let's see, the 1414. So are we at the 1272 right now? 1272. Right there, 1272 at a 70.5% retrace. Interesting. All right, so the problem is the way we have our setup, it means like, so this could be the bottom, but because the 200 moving average is the reason why we took the shot here. The 200 moving average was it. If it goes any lower, 786, right around 1185 sats. Wow. All right, man. Y'all just forgive me. Just bear with me, man. I'll get a lot of charts. I feel like the crazy guy in Independence Day, the scientist man, all right, who spends all his days in Area 51 looking at aliens. That's like me in charts. Okay, so I'm all right. Well, there's your Agi, dude. How is it, man? Is that okay? Oh, God. Got Wyken off on Bat Connect. Wyken off. Here you go, dude. All right, Wyckoff. Support zone, magenta horizontal lines, right? Resistance, huge resistance zone up here. We're approaching the resistance zone again, but if this was some sort of crazy inverse head and shoulders of some sort, and you broke this, man, huge run the upside, very possible. But dude, I don't know, man, you're just going straight up. You're gonna hit it. 886, high to low. Got a lot of resistance up here, like tons of it, man. And here you go. Oh, all right, ladies and gentlemen, more trivia for you. What is the form of divergence when you double top on price but make lower levels of positive momentum? Huh? Y'all gotta get it right now, right? Which one is it? Who's first? Who's going to be first? Who's going to be king? Or queen? Oh, also, if you're enjoying this live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. It's the first time I've used that cadence tonight, alright? So forgive me. There we go. Class B, bearish divergence. There you go, Apori. You did it, man. You did it, man. Excellent job. And hey, you know what's funny? This is... Here we go, man. It's so weird how it goes, dude. This is like... I forgot, BAT is like my education for the divergence. Eat it up, chat. Eat it up. Enjoy it while I finish up my tea and engage the chat a little bit. Just take a look. Just...
Oh, would you look at this?
Jesus, loud. I gotta turn that down. That guy down. He's really loud. Oh, yeah. Enjoy it. Restream. Restream's on drugs, chat. Oh, fireworks. Yeah, I forgot. My bad. Alright, thanks for the 100 likes. Every time we get 100 likes, chat. Fireworks. Kings. Do I think Incash is going to pump with the North America launch? I'll just do this.
I don't know, sir.
But, based on technical indicators, we may run to the upside soon because of exhaustion based on no more selling pressure. After a very long time of tons of selling pressure. Whew. So, Undertaker. Stealth Wiki, man. Take a look at last night's stream I did. I did an entire analysis on why EDA might not be done running. Go check it out, dude. How dare I scroll on you? Gosh dang it, Loot. Patient, man. So, Mike Lamb. What is it? Neocoin, please. Please, milk for my children. We love you too, Star Wars Worlds, man. Awesome, Alex, dude. I can't restream. I'm about to lose it, man. Thanks, Ernesto, dude. What's up, Brian Nowick, man? No, we haven't looked at it yet. Sorry, I'm just trying to get through the part with the... No, it's not Class A. Look, double top on price, lower levels of positive momentum, or lower levels of relative strength. That's Class B. Eric Coffeen, dude. Class B. I'm gonna get y'all learned. Y'all will become learned before the day is over, or before the life is over. Okay, you will know them all. You will know all three, and you'll be like, you'll know them so easily. It'll be a joke, dude. You'll be like, oh yeah, clearly, that is divergence of some sort. Okay. All right, so for now, I mean, really happening. We try to make sense of it. What's there here? Yeah, down. So you had it like that, and so you just adjust. Is it just a channel? No, it's like a wedge. If it's like a wedge, it is a wedge, right? So just forming a pretty large size wedge, man, on BAT to BTC. Not to scare you or anything, but if that, don't get mad at me, man. I'm just looking at impulse up. This, you hit your low, and we anchored from there and adjusted here. I mean, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. It's two converging up-sloping trend lines. It's not my fault, dude. Don't get mad. Don't kill the TA. Okay, so that's forming a rising wedge near critical areas of resistance, near the 886, and you're showing pretty much double top, and that's like Class B bearish divergence, right? Class B divergence, divergent C's, because we have it on the RSI as well. So, I mean, you could just sell off, bounce off 49.93, run again, dude, you know, whatever, as long as you want, but that's kind of the pattern that seems like it's developing right now. Am I wrong? Am I crazy, chat? Do you concur? But either way, Wyckoff. Low risk, high risk. You break it, you become Kangs. That's it. And even if you break all this right here, you still got this 6650 wickage up here that you got to break. And we know from the high to low, if we do break that, 100% retrace, the 1272 is the target. The really short-term target is 6817, which is right near that all-time high wick. All right. Bad. It's not a double top though, right? I mean, it looks pretty freaking close to it, man.
Kappa 1, 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 Kappa 1000.
Probes, man, you over on Twitch, man? You twitching, dude? Thanks for the biddies, dude. The 1000 and change. The 1049 bits, man. Was there a reason for 1049? Tell me, dude. Tell me true. I mean, look, dude. Class A, Class B looks very close to double top to me. But yeah, if you say Class A, fine, whatever. They both mean pending price action reversal. The downside. So anyway, what's this music, dude? Get it out of here. Okay. It sounded like Ferris Bueller's Day Off on Molly or something. Let's give me this up. Crazy, man.
Please look at Neo/BTC. When Wilson likes Seattle Mitch. It rains there a lot. Benito is hanging out at Area 51. With Greg Morgan. Building a supersonic 589 engine. To blast off to the moon. So DB Cooper can jump out. Schrodinger's cat trades crypto.
Oh my god. I don't even know what just happened, man. But I feel like I was born again with that TTS, dude. Holy crap. So many memes. I don't even know where the meme started and where it ended, dude. Thanks for the threes, dude. Did you do that because someone's literally stroking out asking you about Neocoin? Oh my god. I can't believe it. Alright. Neo. There's Sauron, dude. There he is, man. Scary stuff. Way up at the 618. Better to door. Ooh, let's go to daily. Sorry. Daily time scale, right? All-time highs up here on Neo. 1 and 2. You got out. You finally broke out of the chains. But then you formed another structure with slightly lower lows, and you showed bullish divergence on the daily down here, and then you broke to the upside, started making higher lows, and guess what's happening, man? We did an analysis on Neo not too long ago. It was the topic of conversation. And guess what happened, man? We finally touched the 200-day moving average for the first time since legit May of 2018. We touched it in late February. Are you kidding me, dude? I think it's just some sort of was that channel? Oh, let's try the other way. Let's try these 1 and 2 now. No, that's not it either. Hey, Adam is, man. Thanks for 500 bits, dude. Oh my god. Holy crap, dude. Thanks, man. Really appreciate that. Seriously. Dude. You followed and subbed like yesterday, right? And throwing down the biddies, man. Really appreciate that, dude. Kangage. Much love. So we're going to go with this, man. Okay. I'm going to go with this. So, I mean, you get it, right? It's Is it a wedge? Probably not right now, but it is. Obviously, there is resistance and support within this. Okay, so yes, we could go higher. We could definitely go higher. And in the short term, if someone's trading in the short term because they're scared, which I don't know why you should be so scared, man. Oh no, you're scared now when we're shifting momentum at critical support levels back from December of 2017. You're scared now when you weren't scared at all when we went from literally 15,000 sats all the way down to 1,500 sats. Why would anyone be scared right now when we're about to golden cross potentially, man? This thing is exhausted. It's been selling off forever like so many other altcoins. It's just asking to make a common retrace. A common retrace, dude. That's it. Common retrace between 48.87 and 68.45. That's it. And we're talking, this could take literally months. This could take all summer to play out to where we get to these levels because it's relevant to the structure that we were in before. Dude, January 2018 to November 2018, almost a year, 11 months of incessant selling inside of one structure. When you get out of that, when you break out of it, you can't hit these targets overnight. It's going to take a while. It's going to take probably months. Yeah, months if we're to get there. Okay. And that's just a significant time scale. We're talking about the daily here, all right? So, if you look at the 4 hour though, okay. If you just look at the 4 hour, you can look at it very simply. Top of the structure, right? Anchor point 1 and 2, the bump and run, right? Bump and run, typical, standard, everyday stuff, bread and butter. Height of the structure to the low point. Right, 100% retrace, and then your secondary target's the 1272. Oh my, don't do this to me, man. With these stupid fibs that connect. 1272. So eventually, this, I mean, if you look at it in just the most simple way possible, these are the targets for a bump and run. And you could, if you want, you can go high to low and just be like 50% 618 if you got in low enough, but I mean, dude, that's just not how it works, man, after all that selling, dude. So yeah, we are hitting the 50%. Hey, we had the 50% retraced and reversal price action, right? But we're holding strong, higher lows. So since we did reverse our price action, we're holding. And now that means we might be ready to run again to the upside. Is there any kind of divergence? Zoom in for that. Yeah, not really. Nah. I mean, I guess from this low to this low, sure. Not really. You're not seeing much divergence where we are. It makes sense because you're just kind of making the same lows, right? Higher lows. Consecutive higher lows. Now we have two higher highs. One higher high than the other, right? So trending. We're trending on the upside right now. Okay. That's it. Wish there's more to Neo, dude. I wish there was more. But we talked about it. A lot of these altcoins, man, we'll look at them on significant time scales on the daily chart. Dude, they're exhausted. They're so freaking tired, and they're at critical supports. And a lot of them are already up at the moon. Look at Ravencoin, KNC. A lot of them have already begun to retrace. Look at these. All these hit their bottom on the 15th, right? 15th of December. And they've just been making higher lows ever since, for now. Okay. Whew. Anyway, I'm going to try to look at some chat, I guess. Oh, you've been following me on YouTube? Had some bits on Twitch? Dude, bits in Twitch. If you accidentally say that wrong, you know what it's going to say. Whew. I think I almost missaid it. All right. Well, Adam is 85, man. I really appreciate the 500 bits. And are you VATS 85? Am I crazy? You forgot Neo was still around? Well, how dare you, man? How could you say something like that, man? CryptoCoins use this now, man. So elevator of heck, man. So the thing is, we have a different interpretation of this market than others. Okay, most people that don't trade, they look at crypto as some sort of like fanboy tribalism thing. Oh my god, my coin's better than yours. We look at them all as S coins, and we just look at them as trading tools. They are a means at which we would take a position using traditional technical analysis at low risk entries to make high rewards. Scott Stevani, man, thanks for joining the Harmonicast, man. Welcome, dude. To Jesus, man. All right, sweet dude. We're gonna do it, dude. We're gonna do it. Limit break. Neo's coin, man. Neo's coin. Nuh-uh. No, it is definitely Neo. Okay, you can't debate me. I can see what he said, dude. Dude, yeah, Twitch, for some reason, Twitch and Restream, they're like this, dude. Like, I'll say something, and I see it in live time. It's like, it hits like, whoa, what? It's as fast as YouTube chat when I'm looking at YouTube chat only, right? Because it types out Kappa each time. Probes, man. Gosh dang. I'll blame Twitch, man. Jovan Allen, thanks for joining the Harmonic House, man. Kangs. Holy crap, dude. Julie, why are you laughing so hard? What's going on? The Germans are incoming. Was it over when the Germans bombed Pearl Harbor? Oh my god, you haven't seen the movie. Holy crap. Neo's coin. Yeah, dude, we're gonna look at Neo's coin. Oh, we were gonna look at BNB. And then I got mind effed with memes by Billy. Billy, saw the Storm Chasers. Don't put it off, dude. Let's get throttled for a second. Seriously, dude. I'm ready to go storm chasing. I'm itching. I'm ready to go. Like you like tell me in a PM, hey man, they're ready to go. There's a storm coming up next week. I'm there, dude. I'm in Oklahoma like that fast. Just understand that. It's not a joke. It's my life. Okay, dude. So still stalling. We're not rushing. We were rushing, but now we're stalling. At what? The 100% retrace, dude. Still seems like some sort of ascending broadening wedge of some sort. Golden zone. We crushed it, dude. We crushed it, man. And we know if we broke this, which gonna be tough, man. I think we had it already charted. I think it didn't say. It was just like this, right? Some sort of other type of ascending broadening wedge inside of ascending broadening wedge. Okay, hit the top. So not going to be easy. And there's no real, on the 4 hour, there's no real clear, discernible divergence. And on the RSI, or on the daily, highs, higher highs. Highest, yeah, you're showing definite divergence. Okay. You got highs. Okay, here's the thing, man. Think about it like this. Though it could just run to the upside and be kangs, man. Sure. Think about it like this. Let's stay grounded. You made a high on price. You're now making the highest high on price at the 100% retrace with the higher high. Has negative momentum with RSI, bearish divergence. What does that tell you? In my opinion, on a daily time scale, this is not 4 hour. This is not a joke, dude. This is for real. We got a bearish tornado watch, all right, up here. These areas it's just the oscillators. Everything on this chart is screaming, hey, time to pull back some. How far we pull back, I don't know, but it's definitely telling us impending price action reversal. Class A plus bearish divergence, you wouldn't call it that, right? So that's BNB to the US dollar at a 100% retrace. Okay. Backs.
Can you please do backs?
Anon, thanks for the 3s, dude. Backs. Bax, dude. Baxter International. Oh my god, dude. Jeez. Huh. Nice breakout, dude. Just give me a sec. My god, man. Thing just won't stop, man. It won't stop. Just give me a second, alright? But B&B, what say you? I mean, like, what can we even do, right? What can we even freaking do here? When you have all those variables, right? It's very difficult to break to the upside. So, if this is what you're asking for, bats, see some sort of clear support. What is it?
Trevor Stalin Joseph tipped $23.58. Say Twitch bits mitts 3 times fast. Ha ha. Hate to admit what the tongue twister made me say.
Exactly, dude. Exactly. Hold on. Twitch bits, Twitch bits, Twitch bits. Whew. You should have told me to say it. Sasashishkwan. God dang it, man. I can't ever say it right because I never remember it. Okay. See, you should have made me say that, but I already did anyway, so I am screwed. Okay, so thanks for the 2358, man. The Twitch bits have to be very careful, okay? Very careful. Beautiful support. Look at the heartline resistance, the heartline support. You gotta be kidding me. Beautiful. But, you know, is this a harmonic, man? I don't think so. I think this is too perfect. I think this is a perfect double bottom, all right? It's just, there's not enough retrace, right? There's not one. It's literally an even atom. An even atom, double bottom, with your neckline right there. And your measured move. Measure move hit. And you're bringing the upside. You're actually breaking out. You're breaking all-time highs right now. Breaking all-time highs. And highs on price. Okay, you're showing some Class C. Well, it's a continuance of bearish divergence, right? I mean, it's just like you keep making higher highs and you keep making so well, I guess the divergence played out. We sold off at the 20 and now, okay, so I'll show you this. I'll show you how we get targets if we were to
What
run.
up, Mitch? Business starting to pick back up. Burst, please.
Burst. Oh my god, Travis, man. Thanks for the burst coin in the jar, dude. Thanks, Brickley, Kappa. Dude, I haven't looked at burst in a while, man. No one requests it. But yeah, man, we'll look at burst. Kangage. So your beautiful double bottom. The double bottom was at the 886. You hit it. Look at how when you hit it, you kind of sold off and then you ran again. So if this thing really wants to sustain and run higher, which, here's the thing, man. That is divergence. Ever so slight divergence, right? High on price. You're now at like all-time highs after a stupendous run. Thanks, Macro, for that. If you really were to break out and stay out, which you have broken out and closed the day out, the 1272 is 8309. That is the 12. That's the next target, dude. That's the next target. If we were to keep running. But what if the macro just sells off? I mean, everything's just been running. Dude, it's been non-stop since December 26th for the stock market, dude. So, man, critical resistance. That's breakout buying. That's FOMOing, dude. All right, breakout buying. Okay, areas to buy on backs, like, dude, you have this trend line plotted. You hit it, double bottomed off of it. It's beautiful, dude. Very, very educational. Double bottom, man. Okay. Very cool. Thanks, Anon. Wait, which exchange was it we look at? Is it Poloniex? Yes. That was it, man. Alright, dude. So this is what's interesting about Burst, alright? You can put 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Critical supports looking left. Very, very critical. I mean, it's just your zone. Okay. So zooming in. Huge impulse down. Do we have any kind of formal structure here? Kind of looks like a descending, broadening wedge of some sort. Maybe? Oh, man, it's almost just a channel, dude. Ah, it's so close, and so we'll just probably go with parallel channel. That doesn't look like a very good pattern. Alright, so something like that. So we know that's exhaustion, right? I mean, you're at critical supports, but dude, you're just unable to summon any kind of demand, dude. Jeez. Almost, dude, this looks like a lot of liquidity being lost, and that's like a left shoulder, head, right shoulder action, neckline. You're trying to break the neckline pretty hard. I mean, you did break it, and you sold off to 91 sats. You pulled back up. Man. Formal structure, dude. I don't know what to tell you, dude. I feel like a high to low, you probably had a 23% retrace, right? High to low. I got candle close, candle close. So there is no wick on the bottom. So high to low. Yep, 23% retrace. You could never break it. You touched it twice, 3 times, and then said nope. I wish I had better news, man. I get it, man. I get what's going on, right? Just like a lot of other things. You big sell-off for, 8 months, 9 months, and then you form downslope consolidation. But the problem with Burst is the other thing that the other alts have been doing, and they've started showing higher lows. They've been doing much, much better than this, man. Okay. Another support down here. So I don't know, man. Burst is not really looking very good besides the structure win. So we sell off, man. We can come down to 70 sats again, right? Lower low, and maybe show some extreme divergence. I mean, we're looking at the daily here, and there is no real divergence going on, dude. You're like oversold. This is not what you're looking for, and it's like your negative momentum's building. I wish I had better things to say about Burst, but look, you have a low, now you have lower lows, and you have higher levels of negative momentum. That's just not the stuff we've been seeing on this market. It's looked a lot better, dude. IOTA and shoot, GBT and Zilliqa and ADA and even XLM on its reversal. This thing is just, I don't know what to tell you, dude. Okay, it doesn't look that great. Sorry, man. All right, but I'm glad you're back in the swing of things, dude. You said business is picking up, man. Awesome. Glad to hear it. It's wonderful. Whew. Anyway, missed literally all the chat. Hit that like button, that bell, that sub if you're enjoying the live stream. Oh my god, I've been live for an hour and 35 minutes now. We've just been looking at things over and over and over, dude. Tron Connect, that's right, Julia. Crypto 2 times. Ugh, I'm gonna go get the cryptos. And, dude, Restream is so bad. You will see him on Saturday? Yes! That's what I'm talking about, dude. I can't wait. No more 20k hype runs. We don't care about 20k hype runs, dude. We're not Moon Boys. This is literally, we are crypto underground, dude. We are not Moon Boys. Dude, Restream sucks so bad, dude. And it's really not bad on the laptop. It means I just have to reinstall this crap. Just hold on a second, okay? This tea's good. I don't think it has as much caffeine as, or caffeine, huh? As the black tea, the green tea. This little pour thing kind of sucks, though. Little kettle top, scrub top. When no one talks about Bitcoin Cash, life is sweeter. Kinda, in a way, dude, right? Dude, no one likes BCH. Is it like Booster and Jingle All the Way, man? No one likes Booster. Whoa, dude, we got all kinds of chat going on up in here, man, tonight. No, we've now looked at OST. Sorry, man. Literally, just about every crypto that exists has been requested tonight, and it's very difficult for me to do literally every crypto that exists on the planet. But hey, man, you get it, dude. I'm trying, man. My best, man. Kangage. Wait, we said we knew on EOS if we broke to the upside again, we wouldn't just be Kangs, we'd be impor-ors because we were already Kangs because the ascending triangle windfall, right? Patreon trade setup, and now another Patreon trade setup, and we had a great argument, man. We were like freaking Philadelphia lawyers, man, with our argument on EOS to BTC, man. Give me a break, dude. We held support. We're showing it's a little bit of divergence, man. Look left, dude. Look, all the arrows in the world, dude, set you free. And we even had like a live stream called EOS is not done and it's not done running, and here's why, right? Isn't that what we did? What we said, man? What more do you want? Huge volume spike. 84 on the RSI, dude. Be careful. This thing's asking, maybe pull back, dude. That's very high. Huge spike in positive momentum. Highest positive momentum we've seen since March 6th. Which is literally when I posted the bearish cipher, potential bearish cipher on Bitcoin. Wow. There you go, James Clark and others. Patrons. See what we can do here, man. See if we can find this thing. Hold on. It's so difficult because you can't scale in, and so it looks like really insignificant. Okay, it's whatever, dude. I can't. I wish there was a way to do it, but you can't. Okay, so it's just like this, man. This is like what we had on the Patreon. It's just looking like this, okay? Alright. So it's just like EOS, man. It's like, okay, dude, all the arrows, our explanation, we broke a critical area of resistance, we're holding support, and you're kanging, man, just kanging, just go straight up, man. Alright, but that was before we even posted the falling wedge and stuff. We talked about it after, but okay, dude, whatever, man. Yes, EOS. Sit a spell? What does that mean? Is that Julius? This for Australian slang? Sit a spell. I didn't miss anything on chat? Yes, I believe I missed like a lot of chat. Yeah, Pori. I read your mind, dude. I read your mind before you could even ask it, I think. Right? Greg Morgan says, never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and hurt you. Hey, dude, isn't that the Nice Guys theme? Their anthem? Thanks, Francisco, man. Thank you. Yeah, that Moonboy is the top Jesus. And he will stay that way probably for the rest of our lives. Good God, too much. Sure thing, James, dude. Yes, Seth. EOS doesn't respect RSI and its movements. 1, 2, 3. I mean, yeah, it was like up. I mean, it did sell. I mean, a little bit. It definitely consolidated some. But yeah, I get what you're saying, dude. Look, when things get overbought, they just sell off and get near not overbought, and they go again and stay in overbought territory. It's very overwhelming bullish stuff, right? Hey, man, the trend is your friend right now. The trend is absolutely. This was another Patreon trade setup we had down here and went way beyond our targets, man. That happens. That's the windfall. All right. That's the real gamble, dude. When you do the right thing over and over and over and you're successful, some of the trade setups you have become real kangs, like serious kangs. Sweet Eopori, man. Working on my telepathy, dude. All right, I think that's what it is.
Lil BTT USDT never hurt anyone.
Gabriel, yeah, dude, we'll look at BTT. It's gonna overtake BTC. Jeez, man. Oh, good God, man. You know, we got 4 days left, 4 or 5 days left until meme of the month is over. Dude, freaking meme of the month, man. Crypto Lamb posted this one. This is terrible, dude. Crypto Lamb, you got to up your game on this one, dude. I mean, come on, man. Really? That was for meme of the month, okay? And then Jesus Like Christ posted this. Until next time, respect the tea. I don't get it. It's like, I don't know the pirate thing. It's like, I'm sorry I annoyed you with my TA, because that's like the scene in The Office, dude. But we have this one, because of the 8s, the 8-8, right? Pocket 8s all in with a set of 8s. And then you have 888 poker too. So it's like super 8s might have a shot, but we know it's gonna be real tough. And here's Greg, dude. Greg, Bitcoin, Tether. Oh, tonight looks like Bitcoin's winning. She's winning right now. Oh my God. And then we have the winner right now, like probably gonna win again, is well, we have Logan's, which is really good. FOMO Chasers, and it hits close to home, okay? XRP FOMO Chasers, man. Chasing all those S coins, dude. Come on, dude. We broke out. Is it time to buy? At the top of the tornado? Yeah, maybe, dude. Dang, we've had some in here, but the one for now I think is winning is this one. This is the previous winner, Game of Coins, Black Plasma. Wonderful. Just he did harmonics and Pepe and whatever. It's just, it haven't had something to do with me, but like, you know, whatever. This is just great work. So this one might be winning. All right, I don't know. We'll put it to a vote. Not much competition though, right? Besides the FOMO Chasers and maybe one more. Sorry, trying to... Hey, y'all make sure if you're in here and you're new and you're not part of our Discord and you want to keep the conversation going when this live stream ends, Discord is the way to do it. I mean, we got like, what, 1,200 members in our Discord? You know, people that care about charts and technical analysis like me. So, great place to ask questions, get answers, okay? Join the Discord. Be a king. FOMO Chasers. Yeah, Black Plasma did it again. Britney Spears. Oh yeah, sweet. That's right, William Battles. What's up, Eric? Esquivel. I think that's it. How do you decide between the different kinds? Different kinds of what, dude? Good time to buy. What you talking about, dude? Those are definitely not specific enough of questions for me to answer. Okay. Yeah, exposure. We're gonna start over, man. Right now. 3, 2, 1. Kappa. All right. Dang, dude, I've missed so much.
Mitch, when I first got into crypto, I got into December 14th, 2018. I bought it on IDEX and have not been able to chart it on TradingView. Can you teach me how, please? MRPH.
MRPH. I'll give it a shot, dude. Where are we? Oh, okay. I can't see it on TradingView, Mr. Shafferman. MRPH. Morpheus Network. Dude. Don't you just mean Neo, dude? Or Neo's Universe? I don't know. Dude, MRPH. Look, you want me to show you what happens when I do MRPH? MRPH. All criteria. Or all assets. Can't do anything, man. I don't know what I can do, man. It's okay, Eric. Esquivel, man. Join the Discord. That's the step 1, but I believe they're Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. Probably a great starting point. Also, go to babypips.com, Eric Esquivel, man. And hopefully I'm saying your name right, because it sounds really good. Because if your name is not pronounced that way, you should probably change it to Esquivel, because that sounds really good, man. Has anyone told me that I look like Lane Kiffin? No, no one in... You're the first person in literal life to call me a Lane Kiffin lookalike, dude. We're going to pull this up so everyone else can see how wrong you are, man. Oh, that's zoomed in. Hardcore. Oh, he's got visors on and all his. They're so unflattering. These photos are so unflattering. Dude. I guess we'll just look at the Bama one. I have Bama one. Okay, yeah. Alright, so. Who was it? Who was it? Was it Adam Is? Dude, I don't think so, man. Okay. I don't think so. And I don't... Here's one of him, like... Wait, yeah, there's one. And there's another one. Right. I don't see it, man. I just don't see it. I'm taller than him. Much taller than him. Alright, type 1 if I look like Lane Kiffin. 2 if I don't. 2 if I don't. 1 if I do. Go. That's the debate of the evening, I guess. Oh my god, man. Oh my god. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Morph? Is Morph it, dude? No way. It's not it, dude. Oh my god, it is it, dude. Oh my god. It is it, dude. Oh my god. You don't want to do this, dude. It looks like bankruptcy. It looks like a decaying 3 times ETN, dude. Looks like some sort of SQs or something. Oh my god, man. Okay, good. It seems like I don't look like him. That's great, man. I need a visor. I have a visor, dude, but normally for golf outings. Dude, yeah, I don't know, man. Like, what's the point of even charting this dude? Like, who even cares, man? It's like scrub and scrub and scrub some more. Like, dude, I'm trying, but this is probably terrible, dude. All right. That's it, dude. There's no real way to chart this. It's awful, man. It's awful. Good luck fibbing this. I mean, dude, I'm just like, why even touch this or be around it? Just get away from it. It's not even the 1272 from the low to high. 1272 6981. 1414 is, oh, dude, this is like, okay, yeah, you're like past zero. This is zero right here. Here's zero, okay? Not too far away at this point. No formal structure. Traditional technical analysis probably not going to help you here. All right, that's all I can tell you, dude. That's it, man. I'm sorry, Morpheus. Scrub. Okay, not the one. Drink a gallon of milk in honor of Peter North. Okay, moment of silence. Moment of milk. Oh, we got it, man. We got it, man. We did it, man. Oh, John Gruden, maybe Kappa. Yeah, better. I'm glad you had that Kappa there. Cover crypto, man. Might have been your butt, dude. Thanks, Eric, dude. Glad to hear that you're joining, man.
Doppelganger Chaser tip $23.58. Mama Probst just said you look like Jesse Tyler Ferguson from Modern Family. I somewhat concur.
I've had random clients back in the day tell me that, and it sucks. Yep. She's not wrong, and she's not the first person to say that, so. But boy, we sound different when we talk, that's for sure. So, there you go, Mama Probst. Emily, how could you say that? Whatever. I guess so, yeah. It's just not the first time I've heard that. So, Lane Kiffin, first time, but that one, yeah. The redheaded guy. Thanks, dude, for the 2358, man. Oh my god. Holy crap. Lots of 2s and 8s. Beautiful. Dude, I gotta get out of the morph, dude. It's killing me, dude. Let's just do this. We're like 2 hours late, or an hour late, but it's okay. Okay, man. All right. I don't know, dude. We broke the upside. We bounced off the 200 moving average again, right? Bounce off March 14th. Now we're bouncing off multiple times, 25th, 26th. And now here we are. We actually closed that previous 4-hour candle above the 50 moving average. That's cool. So we'll see. And we broke, look, down sloping trend line 1 and 2. Broke it. Let's see if we can get higher, man. See, the problem is that you're at a 618 retrace already. From the high to low, 62%. You're at the top of the golden zone. Have fun with this one, man. It looked like BitConnect. Yeah, pretty much. Iapori.
Is that a joint?
Why did you take on charts in TA? Where did Matratia begin?
Graduated college and was in sales. I lucked out. It was a who you know situation. I was given a really good opportunity to start selling, and started making money.
Is that a joint?
Mitch, you just don't understand mine. Morph/Re is going to moon at 0 satoshis.
1941? No, I thought 1941 sats, dude, is where we were gonna go all in. Thanks, dude, thank y'all for the back-to-back 420s. The 840s, man. Does that mean I'm getting double jointed, man?
Is that a joint?
Double jointed, because double jointed with your arms or stuff, and also marijuanas. Not bad. So, no, man, really just stemmed back from my dad. As soon as I got out of college and started making money, my dad, being in sales is nice. You have freedom. So I'd, visit, my parents own their own business, and I'd just go over, tell them, and hang out with my dad, in the afternoon after I made some sales and stuff. And we just talk, and, he was telling me about how well he was doing in the stock market, and just show me his portfolio and what he was investing in, and then that was just kind of it, man. Like it's kind of a blur from there. I just kind of started researching, and I'm like looking at candles. I'm like, oh yeah, I've seen these before, and I started learning about, oh, Japanese candles, what? And then I like just started falling in love with like, oh, there are these different types of candles that have names. Hey, Crypto Fed, man, look at the harmonic house, man, Kings. I don't know. It all started for me with just memorizing just simple candlestick patterns. And it kind of just went from there, man. It just started snowballing harder and harder. It started consuming my life. It started to get to a point where I started hating my job because I was like, this is taken away from my ability to just at least look at the stock market, right? So that's it, dude. It really wasn't anything spectacular that got me into it, man. So my dad, good influence. Definitely been like, you know, throughout my life, he's been my biggest role model my whole life. Yeah, my dad. So, dude, dealt with tons of like high school. I mean, Saban was, I mean, of course, Saban wonderful, but in role model, yeah, I guess one of them. But you know, long sustained role model, right? You know, my dad's gonna win because my dad made me. But like for the most part, I've had a lot of bad experiences with bad bosses. You know, people that were just there via tenure. It was just tough, man, listening to a lot of people because they're just real bad leaders. And you read the book 5 Levels of Leadership by John Maxwell, you'll know what I'm talking about. When you read that book, it opens your eyes so hard to what kind of, and you peg exactly what kind of level your boss is if you work for somebody. So I don't know, man. Just talking here. One. Okay, yeah. I am Nankiven, man. I am Nankiven. Morpheus was never the one. No, he was not. So Crypto Suki, man. Have I looked at ONT? No, dude, but we've looked at almost everything that exists on the planet, dude. Or tried anyway. Yeah, tell Emily, brace yourself. Baby is coming. Brace yourself. Shout out to Mitch's dad. CryptoFet, what's up, dude? No, we've just been analyzing coins and having fun, man. We've been live now for 2 hours, 2-hour live stream. So it's like, you know, just normally around quitting time or just wrap it up time or just relax time for me. Okay. Posted 2 static videos today and now I'm live. Ray, that was my nickname. Coach Steele, my defensive coordinator when I was at Bama with Saban, called me Ray. He was the only one that ever called me Ray. He was actually the only person who ever gave me a nickname. I've actually never had a nickname. People just call me Mitch Ray. Like one word, Mitch Ray. So thanks, shout out to Coach Steele for actually giving me a real nickname for the first time ever. Okay. What's up, JD, man? How you doing, dude? Shout out to bad leaders. Big ups to Liquid Richard. Shout out to Sean Franklin. Oh my God. Lag on a big one, please decide. Why do we have to be stuck with 2 assets, man? That seems interesting. Well, you know, we talked about potential bullish setup on Litecoin, but we're very far off from it. Dude, we've had nice runs. We've had a really nice run. There are other opportunities out there. Okay. God, I can't decide that for you, CryptoFed, man. I can't sleep at night, you know, knowing that you make a decision based on what I say, and it's got to be now. Give it to me now. Trading's about waiting. 90% of trading is waiting for development, okay? We waited for like a month for this entry, dude. Waited and waited and waited. Oh my God, waited. And then we took our entry and then people were trolling. Oh my God, man, we're not going up to the moon right now. We waited on the double bottom, then boom. All 3 of our targets got hit, man. So you just got to wait. Right here, man, it just seems to me like bearish cyber pattern. We hit $5 off our entry for the Patreon trade setup and then sold off. Hit the first target. It didn't hit the second target. Second target was 618.3818, but we hit as low as 38.63 or 62. Okay, 50% retrace. So sometimes you don't always hit it. And I don't really know, man. We're back inside the channel. So yeah, dude, it's just We do trade setups. We wait for it. We post the trade setup and we wait and then we go. We don't just have a new sub. Where'd I put my $1,800 now? It's just tougher than that, man. It's not. That's not really the way to go about it. IMO. Powerful learning combination. Kangs, Alex. Awesome, dude. Very cool. Smooth operator. You've been waiting for this fall for 4 months? 4 months, dude. Since December. Well, we had a nice big move down here, but we knew the bullish Gartley with daily and 4-hour bullish divergence and double bottom and falling wedge was too powerful. Bro, the upside. Dude, when you have a look, when you lose over half your value, smooth operator, over half your value in 5 weeks, don't expect the selling to be near as intense. Okay, and expect at some point after you make those moves down, you're going to hit a bottom, and then you're going to start forming higher lows, which we did. And now we're forming higher lows again, and we've broken out of a formal structure we had been in since November 2, mid-February. And so now we're back testing it as a support when it was once resistance, right? Resistance, now support. And we know on the daily that Bitcoin has not even come close to a major retrace. You got to understand, from that high point, November 7th to December 15th, dude, we're only at the 236 shallow retrace. I would think that we would make the golden, something called the golden zone. Okay, it's the common retrace zone I used to call it before, but 382 between 44.22 and 52.31 in time, one would expect to maybe pretty much hit those, at least before reversing price action to the downside again. All right, because you have to think about it. What is Fibonacci for? It's for looking for areas of value. When you've lost over half your value, we've made a killing. Ethereum, windfall. Remember that head and shoulder short? Okay, people make killings on these moves. And so then when you break down, you want to have, when it moves down like that, impulse is down, you want to consolidate and have upsloping consolidation. Not impulse down and then down sloping consolidation. This is proper consolidation, improper consolidation. People see no area of value with money. They know what they're doing. They see no area of value down here, so they don't go short anymore. They're done. They take profit. And so the selling pressure gets weaker and weaker and weaker, and they start showing divergence and then a big break to the upside. And then from a high point to low point, you're looking for the golden zone, 382 to 618. In this particular situation, we have not hit that golden zone yet. Sorry, just not yet. And 200-day moving average way up at 46.77. We haven't touched that. We haven't seen, we haven't even touched that since March. Over 1 year now, we have not even touched the 200-day moving average. You have to understand that. All that stuff, exhaustion. Okay, so I still think there's room to run to the upside, and there's a zone where we could do it. And at these areas, people looking to take short positions, because they're saying, hey man, oh hey, we have a sale, a 38%, 50%, 62% sale on Bitcoin to go short in this trend that's been bearish. Sign me up, man. But down here, 23% sale, that's not really you're still buying or shorting at a premium. So people with big money aren't going to be doing it. So you have to run up to find these new levels, okay, before the big moves down can occur. Again, just Fibonacci, man. It's the psychology of Fibonacci. When you look at these charts, it's a big deal, man. It's like human beings' minds at work, buyers and sellers. Anyway. There you go, smooth operator. That was, you were targeted. I'm getting ejected from the game and I have to sit out first half of the next game. All right. In Cash Connect. Yeah, dude. Some knows doesn't have man, but you know, slip a Laginas. Welcome, Laginas. All right, y'all. It's been long now, 2 hours and 5 minutes, man. It's been an exceptional show. We got a lot done, man. It was a one-show day, only one live stream today. 2 static videos though, so plenty of content for you. Just less of me being live. So Really appreciate it. Seriously, y'all, if you really do want to continue learning and you want to get deeper with this community is very high quality. All right, there's not much S posting here. We don't tolerate crap. Okay, so a bunch of adults and that care about learning and investing in themselves. If you want to get deeper with us, join the Discord. Around 1,200 members strong, and we grow every day. So head over to Discord. It's a good way to get in contact with me or anyone else in this community. Okay, and you know, it's not about me, it's about this community. Okay, so look, let me do a little rundown real quick. Greg Morgan, Maha Freedom, Probes, man, Jeff, and Emily, and CCCP Baby Probes soon. Mr. Schaffer, Gabriel. Oh, I gotta look at BTT. Crap, I'm sorry, Gabriel, dude. Wow. Sorry, it was, we had like a string of Jesus chomps.
I don't know anyone who trades. Limited contacts. I learned here and other online. You think it's still possible for someone like me to become an average trader? Just hard to find mentors, for me at least.
Is that a joint?
Yeah, man, I think you can do anything you set your mind to, okay? If you have a passion and you have the aptitude to do this, man, and you want to become disciplined, it's not as like flashy and crazy as like movies and stuff will have it, but man, if you really have the tenacity and the drive to learn this stuff, man, yeah, I think you can do it. But I think you just join our Discord, ask questions, okay? There's a lot of people just like you that are learning this stuff every day. I just kind of got a head start because I fell in love with it just a little bit earlier than other people, okay? And I'm not some sort of, you know, extra smart person. I'm just a regular person that just has a passion. And when you see someone's passion, I mean, it just looks crazy because, like, I have a lot of passion for it. So you just got to ask yourself, do you have passion for this? Do you really want to learn it? Because it's going to take a lot of studying, and a lot of experience, a lot of trial and error, a lot of paper trading, okay? So, yeah, I think anyone can do this if they set their mind to it and have, I mean, really the passion for it. Passion's such a big deal, man. You got to have the passion for it. Otherwise, no, probably not. Thanks, Alex, dude. But Maha Freedom, man, thanks for the 420, dude. We're going to look at BTT again. We're just looking at that Gartley. Just not doing things, man. Got close, but it's just not doing things, man. It's been really, really struggling, dude. Eric Esquivel, man, thanks for joining the Harmonic House, man. Kangs, dude. Kangs. All right, so that Gartley, man, where we just couldn't hit the first target, right? So close. Dude, we really did, though. 23. See, this is what I'm saying with these S coins, man. It's 23 sats, man. I don't even know what the percentage is of that of a cent. It's so low. So the 23 sat was your target, and you hit it, but you didn't hit the actual fib node line, all right? You can't break above that 200 moving average. It's clearly been just a resistance. You're just scrubbing around. Still near that entry, right? The entry, the 786 entry, you haven't really technically touched, actually. 17 sats, right? 17 sats is literally 786. So if you sell off one time to 17, that's the target, but 18 seems to be holding really strong. Okay, that's like near that 1272, but anyway, I think, you know, one sat down, it's fine. Hey, Samuel O, dude. Thanks for the sub, man. Welcome to the Harmonic House, man. Kangs, dude. So this thing could ever take off, man. We got our targets. We got our 382, our 618, and our 100% retrace. That's it, dude. That's BTT. It's just going sideways after, you know, going down. And, you know, Bulkowski, he's not the harmonic guy exactly, but he does talk about chop, and plenty of chop here, right? Just extend it on out, dude. Extend it on out, and it's still valid of a pattern. So just move everything over. Move it on over. There you get it. Okay. That's it. BTT still forming its potential pattern. It's really completely matured. This is a completely matured pattern. The only thing I'd see you doing, one sat down at 17 sats gives you literally a 786. and then we run to our targets. But this is the way it's setting up, in my opinion. This is the way it looks, dude. Okay. Harmonics. Reliable patterns. Very reliable. There's your BTT, Gabriel. Sorry about that. But I got it for you, man. I got it. We were literally just looking through contributions and just saying thank you and stuff. Oh, Discord link. I think Julia posted it. Sweet. Thank you, Eric, man, for joining the community, man. We'll do everything in our power to steer you in the right direction. In the beginning of your journey, dude. You can make the journey as legendary as you want it to be. Or as scrubby as you want it to be. It's all up to you, man. Absolutely. Okay, Gabriel, good. Glad to see you're still here, man. All right. 1 trillion coins. What is it? Quadrillion. Quadrillion coins, Greg. Even more. Okay. Good, Garcia, man. I'm glad you liked that video, man. Hopefully you left a comment to tell me, because comments are good. Dude, yeah, I mean, that thing, that's like on my landing page, dude. That's like a video I want everyone in the world to see. That's a video I want to have 1 million freaking views, because I think that video is so education rich that it will open up the eyes of so many people that just maybe have never seen it. It's like, think about it, you're in a cave, you're blind, you've never seen light before, but then you feel a hand and it pulls you out, and it's just really bright, really, really bright. And you open your eyes and you're blind, you can't see still, but eventually it starts making a little bit more sense, and all of a sudden you're like, how could I have ever lived in that cave before? That's that video. I think that's what that video is, and I want everyone to see it. So spread that video. I maybe should just probably like advertise that video, like just to get more exposure to it, so we can help more people, because that's the name of the game. All right, it's always been that. Anyway, all right, so getting back to the rundown. Maha Freedom, dude. Greg Morgan, Probes, Jeff, Emily, Miss Shaffer, Gabriel, Travis, dude. Probes again, Anonymous, Phil Lesh, Billy, man. Roll a fat one. Greg Morgan again, dude. Matt Shaffer again. Dan Manetta. Billy again, man. Alright, thank you all for those contributions tonight. It means everything. Because of y'all, I'm able to produce content daily to help try to give education, trade setups, or whatever it is, man. Updates. Because this market's always changing, dude. Just like right now, man. We just got that big move to the upside. What? Bounce on the 200 moving average. What now? You know? It's like, we didn't hit our second target. Gosh dang. Sometimes it doesn't happen, man. But it was pretty accurate to hit where it did and to sell off. Okay, to where it sold off to. So, okay. Freaking love y'all. Okay. Great show. Thanks everyone for being here, showing your support. Y'all keep showing up. I'll keep showing up. We'll see y'all tomorrow. So until next time. Respect the TA.
That boy is good.
Adios, turd nuggets.